Hello dear traders, my name is Tim and these are the main trading ideas for current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with Brent. Brent oil continues to consolidate near $75 per barrel. In addition to weak data from China, pressure on oil is exerted by the sale of oil from US reserves. According to the latest report from the Energy Information Administration of the US Department of Energy, last week US inventories of raw materials decreased by 2.9 million barrels, which exceeds 2.2 million barrels at the end of April. Thus, US oil inventories has fallen to the lowest level since 1983. The agency said yesterday that it will buy 3 million barrels for the reserve, but this will cover only weekly costs of raw materials, and more than 200 million barrels must be bought to compensate for the volumes released over the past year. Given the problems with the debt payment, this is currently not possible. Against this background, the decline in oil may continue. Next, dollar index. The dollar index is trading near 102.50. Yesterday, US retail sales data for April were released. Thus, in monthly terms, sales increased by 0.4% against the forecast growth of 0.8%. Since consumer activity is not growing as fast as experts expected, the Fed has one more reason to end the current cycle of tightening the national monetary policy. At the moment, the probability of a rate hike in June is 16%, which is lower than the 20% that was before the release of the report of retail sales. In addition, traders will continue to analyze the risk of default in the US against the background of the lack of progress on the issue of the debt ceiling. Given the above, we recommend holding short position on the dollar. And finally, GBP/USD. The GBP/USD pair holds position near 1.25. The focus of traders is the publication of the March data on the UK labour market. According to the report, the unemployment rate in England increased from 3.8% to 3.9% last month. At the same time, the average level of wages, including bonuses, increased by 5.8%, as expected by experts, and without them by 6.7%. Experts believe that the growth of wages may provoke an increase in inflation and force the Bank of England to continue raising the rate. Today will be the speech of the head of the regulator, Bailey. If he confirms plans to further tightening of the policy, the growth of the pound will continue. So these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.